friends, I am back. Yesterday and yes, you together. Lesson number 4. What's this? What's that? It's a treasure box. Open the please. Look, I found something in the treasure box. What's that? It's a plate. What's that? It's a fork. What's this? It's a bowl. What's that? It's a spoon. What's that? It's a knife. Let's sing together. Let's sing together. Plate, plate. This is a plate. What's this? It's a plate. Fork, fork. This is a fork. What's this? It's a fork. Bowl, bowl. This is a bowl. What's this? It's a bowl. Spoon, spoon. This is a spoon. What's this? It's a spoon. Knife, knife. This is a knife. What's this? It's a knife. Knife, fork, spoon, fork, plate. Thanks for watching our video, friends. We'll come again with more exciting videos. I often please like my video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching our video, friends. We'll come again with more exciting videos. I often please like my video and subscribe my channel.